Before I started my journey into network marketing, I never thought about the word why like I do it today. Before it was just a word to ask a question. Now the word why means purpose. A reasonable why is what drives you, what makes you wake up early and go to bed late. It's what makes you go the extra mile, hold on to your dreams and work harder than anyone else. I'm pretty sure you have heard that already, but let me give an example to help you to understand the full power of a strong why. Let's say we are at the rooftop of a very high building. Between those buildings, we will fix a slack line. I offer you $100 if you can walk over to the other side without falling down. Of course, you will be secured by a harness and will be connected to a security line at all times. My question is, would you do it? Okay, I'm pretty sure many of you just said, of course I would do it. It is hard, but the risk is worth the reward. The worst thing that can happen is you will slip and a security rope will catch you. Okay, let's make it a bit harder this time. I offer you $1,000 if you walk over it, but this time you have to do it without any security. It's just you, the slackline between two very high buildings, and a bit of wind making the whole scenario more challenging. Would you still do it? I know some crazy people would still say yes as they really want the money, but the truth is the risk is not worth the reward. Who would risk their life for $1,000? That makes no sense. Here's the last example. It's exactly the same scenario, but this time it is even raining. A thunderstorm came up and you are on one building. On the other building, you see your own child. A flash stroke into the building and the roof is burning. There is no escape besides the slackline. Would you walk over it? I'm pretty sure the answer is yes. You would not even think about how to cross the slackline. Hanging down, crawl over it belly down, or find any other way to rescue your child. The difference here is the why. If your why is strong enough, the what and the how does not matter. You will find a way. This example should give you a strong understanding why it's so important to define the reasons on why you want to succeed. One of the best exercises I've ever done to find my why is called 20 Things. I want you to write down 20 things you would do if money is no object. Either you imagine you have unlimited money available, or you imagine money does not matter at all and anything you wish to do is just one thought away. The first few things might be materialistic, like where you want to travel, where you want to live, what kind of house you want to build, or what kind of car you want to own. But as more things you're going to write down, the more deep your why will get. What would you do if you can't fulfill all your needs money can pay for? What are you going to do after you bought everything? Will you create a charity? Will you help poor people? Change the lives of millions by creating a new school system? Giving back to your loved ones by creating better lives for them? Nothing is right or wrong. It's your why, it's your vision. Get clear about your goals and define the path to your success by making your goals greater than you are. Do not skip this exercise. Finding my why has helped me from a place where I gave up to the top of the industry. As a last tip, take your time with this exercise. Put some thoughtful music on, sit down in a quiet place and find the reasons why you are on this planet. Network marketing will be the tool to reach those goals, but at the end, you have to follow your vision. That's it for this session, and as always, if you have any further questions, please let me know, and I wish you a lot of fun doing this exercise.